and France 24's Fernande Van Tets, who joins us now from The Hague. Fernande, what exactly did the judges say?
So the judges upheld that life sentence today for his role in 4 joint criminal enterprises. It's leading and grave role, I should add. One was to permanently remove Bosnian Muslims and Bosnian Croats from Bosnian territory, his role in the siege of Sarajevo, and of course his role in Srebrenica, that massacre that killed 8,000 Muslim boys and men back in 1995. As well as his hostage taking of UN personnel in order to prevent NATO bombings being carried out on his targets. So all of that upheld by the court today. Now, Mr. Mladic had put in grounds of appeal, saying he did not get a fair trial. All of the grounds of appeal were dismissed by judges here today, except for those fair trial charges. One of the judges, actually the presiding judge, dissented. That is still to come out. Victims here were also hoping to see a further conviction today for massacres committed before that 1995 massacre, back in 1992, in 5 different locations. That the judges did not agree with. 2 judges dissented on that, but they did not uphold that charge. That acquittal stands, but it didn't change anything in the end. He will spend the rest of his life in jail.
As you mentioned, Ratko Mladic will be spending the rest of his life in jail, and this decision today is the end of a more than 20-year quest for justice for survivors and the family members of the victims.
Indeed, and many of them came to the courthouse today to hear this ruling be upheld. I just spoke to somebody and she said she was extremely happy that this is the verdict, that he will remain in jail, but she was disappointed that those further charges had not been added, saying that just a few weeks ago, actually, a further mass grave was found in Bosnia of children. So many, actually, of the relatives of the victims I spoke to today were hoping that that would be upheld today, that would be reversed, but still they say it is a historic day, also because it really shows that Mladic is no hero, as one woman told me. Some people in Serbia still see him that way, and they really hope that this would send a message that what he did was genocide. And they also said that it is not over. I mean, he was the commander of the forces that committed these crimes, but there's still people who are out on the loose in the former Yugoslavia today, and they were hoping that they will still face justice. But a historic day here in one of the final trials of the formal tribunal for former Yugoslavia here.
France 24's Fernande Van Tets.